tired of being here. I'm genuinely tired. It's time to drive. Well, it just got raining really fast. Well, I'm slightly crushed, but that's fine. Ugh, Jesus, it was slippery and slidey. We need to get on the highway here. Good thing I have infinite car repairs. Slow down. Because this is an alternate universe, okay? The National Weather Service Office in downtown Melbourne City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Apple County, southeastern Gore County, northwestern Cashew County, southwestern Corn County, northwestern Cashew County, southeastern Cashew County, northwestern Cashew County, southwestern Melon County, northwestern Corn County, southwestern Tomato County, northeastern Cactus County, southwestern Cactus County, northeastern Cookie County, northwestern Lime County, northwestern Grape County, northwestern Gorebox County, northwestern Gore City County, northwestern Liberty County, northwestern Gore City and Gorebox City counties, northwestern Liberty City County, southwestern Liberty City County, northeastern Manhattan County, northeastern Manhattan County, southwestern Wither County, and northeastern Wither County until 9:35 p.m. At 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing 42-mile-an-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail was detected approximately 7.5 miles from Melon City, moving north at 42 miles an hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: 42-mile-an-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail. Impact: damage to vehicles and mobile homes is expected. All residents living within a 110-mile radius of any of these counties should go indoors and stay vigilant for further updates. If you live within a 150-mile radius of any of these areas, you should stay vigilant, but also go inside. The National Weather Service offices in downtown Melon, Apple, and Corn cities have detected numerous severe thunderstorms with the same exact speed as well. If you or any of your loved ones live within any of these areas, go pick them up. A mandatory evacuation order has been put in place for the following areas: Melon County, Corn County, Apple County, Cashew County, Melon County, Grape County, Lime County, Cactus County, and Tomato County. If you live within a 1,000-mile radius or you live in any of these areas, evacuate now. Repeating, evacuate now. This is a serious situation. Stay tuned to local media outlets for further information on this dangerous situation. If you want to report something, go to our website at www.nationalweatherservicemeloncity.com or call our hotline at 866-477-4371. That's 866-477-4371. Oh, crap. Okay, this is great. This is just great. Alright. Well, now we got even more issues to worry about. I was just trying to take a stroll, and now I have to get out? Well, we're gonna be here for a while. Oh, jeez. Okay. This thing's fine. This car works. This car still drives. Yeah, it's fine. I have a reset. I could just respawn my vehicle. Nothing to worry about. Oh, yeah, this makes sense. Yeah. Yep. Oh, jeez. Okay, we're dying. We're gonna die tonight. Come on. We interrupt regular programming. This is a global emergency. Important details and information will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Fruitlandian government. At approximately 9:35 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the National Weather Service offices in every county, the police departments in every place, all emergency management agencies, all military forces, all special forces, all defense commands, the entirety of the Everything Canadian government, all of the EA, all of its alliances and friends, and everything in between have went along to accept this alert. This is the end of all EAS scenarios, but at the same time, every disaster and all the last EAS scenarios will be coming into to finish off what is left. The Everything Canadian government and all forces in every area should prepare for the worst. As not only is DriveX not safe, nowhere is safe. Everything Land and real life are the only safe places, but you cannot go to real life. You can only go to Everything Land. The Everything Land government and all forces in every country and Everything Land, the entirety of the EA and all volunteered citizens, and all citizens and public transportation companies and Everything Land will be coming in to evacuate. As this is a very dangerous situation, everyone will die. You will be forced to evacuate as you cannot refuse, because you would be getting yourself killed. Just get out of here, please. That's all we ask. Just leave. Get out of here now. Repeating, get out of here now. All natural disasters and man-made disasters will also be occurring, so evacuate. Repeating, evacuate. All airports and all train stations, all subway stations, and all other places are full, and including highways, evacuate. The time will have all cities opened with a capacity of infinite. This is the last time the Canadian government or any other force will be able to evacuate as the world is unknown. Evacuate now. Repeating, evacuate now. You have infinite amount of time to do so. The disasters will occur in not no time. So evacuate. Just go. Go. Drive. Come on. Okay, Dad. Okay, Dad. The speed limits have been dropped as well. Good. I can push this thing to its max. Don't do that. Don't put this thing to its max. Please don't do that. I worked so hard to buy this thing, and now we're putting it to its limits. We're gonna drive. We're gonna be okay, Dad. Oh, jeez. Okay. My baby, you messed her up. How could you do that, son? You're a disappointment. Well, at least I'm getting you out of this. Aren't you grateful that we're at least escaping? Yeah, but you're destroying my car at the same time. Well, I have other cars parked over here that we can drive, Dad. There's nothing wrong with taking any of these. Yeah, but my baby. Your baby will be fine, Dad. Here, let's get into my McLaren. Well, this is nice. You got a McLaren? Yeah, I didn't want to tell you this because I didn't want to tell you I was rich. But there's no point in having money or anything since everything's right now. We gotta go. Well, you're really putting us into its limits. You're destroying your own car, son. I don't care. After this highway, reloot. Oh, jeez. This thing is just so fast, I can't control it. Look at this thing, it's just so fast, dude. Dad, look at the scenery. I like the scenery personally. Oh, both brakes. This thing's speeding too much. We need to reset. But Dad, come on, we need to get out of here. This thing's in drift mode. It won't. Well, I guess we'll be taking the side of the road then. It's real. Alright, turn down this road. Oh, we missed it last time. Ah, Jesus, this thing's so slippery and slidey. Well, it's raining, so yeah, obviously it's going to be quite slippery. What another car that could possibly help us during this? Let me grab my fast car here. Call this fast. Just be grateful we're not in this situation anymore. Yeah, you're right. The weather's definitely calming down over here. Are we getting closer to everything in a time warp? The weather is just significantly calmer. Yeah. We're getting close. But, you know, Dad, I'm sorry I ruined your new Mustang, but the most expensive cars are so cheap and everything like. All cars are super cheap. They're like 25 to 100 grand, Dad. And you make money really fast and everything like. So you can buy the most expensive cars. Like $1.5 million. That's nothing. Like $10 billion in the bank. Well, you can buy every car, Dad. Oh, Jesus, I'm so slidey, even though we are literally in a rally car. Yeah, I know, it's crazy, but, you know, like always, we gotta continue moving. Wait, bunch of... Jeez. We're gonna die on this thing before we can even get to that time warp. It's got that huge parking space, so wait, I think we just passed it, yeah? Yeah, I think we just passed it. Well, thank you for telling me, or else you would have missed that ditch by now. Well, you should have taken that turn by looking at your damn map. I mean, you have a map for a reason, bro. Son, don't call me bro, Dad. Jesus, Lord. Well, we made it. Are you happy we made it out alive, Dad? Yeah. I am happy we made it out alive. Well, Dad, get out the car, bring everything you got with you. Time's ticking. Get everything. Dang it, we forgot our cat. Our cat will be there with us, don't worry. Let's turn off our car to save gas. Gas is cheap, although I want to save for gas. Yeah. We definitely want to do that. That's definitely a good thing to do. Especially knowing that we're literally screwed. No game is safe. Every game's already been evacuated by now. So yeah, there's nothing to worry about. What about the people in Melon City? They haven't been evacuated yet. Well, we're on a mission to go get them, Sonny. We are on a mission. And that mission will take us a hot second. Get back in that damn McLaren. Oh, McLaren time? Yeah. Yeah. We're gonna save those idiots. Dude, let's not waste our time on them. They'll evacuate themselves. It's fine. Dude, why did we get in that McLaren? Because we wanted to crash it. Why if you could crash a multi-million-dollar car, dude? That's cheap. I like McLaren likes it that you're destroying one of their own cars. Oh, jeez. Oh. Oh, jeez. Sonny, you know how to destroy cars because you can't drive anymore. It's fine. It's one of the many ways to destroy a car like this. Let's continue. Oh, Jesus. Jeez. Will this thing flip over? I don't think it will. Oh, jeez, Sonny, you destroyed the McLaren. Well, I mean, you're right. We did destroy it. But I mean, did you really think that? Did you really, Sonny, destroyed the car? Now what are we gonna do? We don't have a car anymore, and you have a life. Oh, jeez, we just got sent flying. This thing's already destroyed. Oh, this thing's a big ball. This thing's a little ball. I'm dead. So am I. I don't know how we're still alive talking. You know what? Let's just grab out this your actual car. Honey, no, this is Mommy's car. You don't destroy Mommy's car. If you destroy it, she destroys you. Well, I don't care about that. All I care about is get this thing kaboom. Oh, you hit that rock good. But it's still not destroyed. I know it's not. That's why. Oh man, it's not really moving anymore. I think we totaled this thing. No, it still drives. We can total it, Dad. Why do you call me Dad? You can't call me Daddy. Ew, no, I'm not calling you Daddy, bro. That's disgusting. Yeah. We just crossed the river. This thing acting like it's acting. It's not driving anymore. I know how to destroy this thing. Well, you know, we could have evacuated. Yeah, all of the versions of us have been evacuated. It's just this one that we need to destroy. Oh, Jesus, it's getting it. Yeah, you're right, it is getting it. Plus, those things have been well, we're not going to completely destroy Mom's car. We're only going to destroy it partly since this is So she's gonna destroy us if we destroy her car. Oh my god. Let's turn this way. We almost missed the turn. I know, we'll just respawn it quickly. It's fine. That's how we took a car though and took it for a joyride. Although I won't tell her about that. Oh, geez, son, you're reckless. You're not gonna do it. It's not like the police are in a car. I mean, what do they do anyways? I want my G-Wagon. Oh man, I can't have my G-Wagon. Are you kidding me? Oh, come on, let's go, Dad. We're getting to that parking lot. It's up here. I know GPS. Let me go and turn it off. It's definitely a lot calmer now. Like the weather's a lot nicer over here. I think it's because we're closer to the time warp. The weather just seems to want to calm itself. You're right, Dad. Let's enjoy this calm weather. Like, it's so calm that there's not even water on the road anymore. It's dried up. You're right. Let's just enjoy it while we can. You know, like, I know. Like, I know we took him on his car, but we could have taken him a car to drive around somewhere. Yeah. It's clear. Like there's no sign of death. It's everywhere. Oh yeah. Completely calm. Well, did you get everything down? Yeah, I did. Okay. Well, we made it, didn't we? Yeah, we did. We did. Well, I want. There's the only map left. Let's destroy it. Let's destroy their car. How can this thing still drive? We do not know. Well, that was enough to take it out. What? The beamer's been destroyed successfully. Let's head over to Melon City. Let's see how they're doing. Maybe they're not doing as bad as DriveX is, because they're destroying their cars after they go to Everything Land and all that. Yeah, let's head over to Melon City. I don't think the melons are doing as good. But I mean, everything's in Everything Land. All the other versions of this. So, I guess we're going into a chaotic rampage now. Meet you in Melon City, boys. Yeetus! I'm gonna die in the wall. Oh, ah. Die, you stupid melon. You didn't pay me like I asked you to. You know that, right? Yeah. My balls. Ugh. Yeah. Die, you idiot. You didn't deserve to live in the first place. Please. I didn't do anything to you. What the fuck, man? I didn't do anything to you. Ugh. I got a fun, good corpse to add to my corpse collection. Time to connect these limbs together, though. Give myself some hard skin, too. There we go. we go. And let me just put a regen syringe into my body that will constantly regenerate me whenever I want it to. Let's shove it deep in there. In fact, make sure no one can pull it out. He's definitely rotting. Let me regen him. There. Now his body won't rot anymore. His legs will, though. No one likes legs. No one likes him. No one. Not even me. I don't even like him. Okay, who else do we have to kill? Hey, die. Hey, die. Hi, die. Hi. Wait, what? Are you serious? How are you not taking it? Idiot. Ow! Ugh, I can't walk anymore. What the heck? You think your little hard skin's gonna stop a shotgun? Think again, you stupid idiot. Ugh. Ugh. I got regen syringed, buddy. What? Ha 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 ha! You can't kill me. Na 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 boo boo. Can I kill you? Yeah, there we go. Die, you idiot! Since you're the one who started this, you're the one who's gonna pay! Pumpkin, you started this, you pay. My arm. Hee 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 hee, ha 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 hoo hoo. frag. I got a frag. Run! Uh-oh. I survived a frag grenade. Ah, jeez. Ah, jeez. One explosion. CB Kappa Kippa Kiba da da di Coco Kiki Guarorero non CP Sapaseti Ting Tana no Nika ni Nika kick your ass. You fucking bitch. Let's see what's popping over in Goreville. I wonder what's popping over there. I know it's probably extremely chaotic, but nah, probably not. Gorebox has been evacuated several hundred times. Let's go back to Drive X Town, Drive Xville, or whatever the heck. It appears as if we're still here. Let's go. Let's restart. All the time lethal plus a bunch of other time lethal. We interrupt regular programming. This is an update to the emergency action notification that was issued hundreds of million a long time ago. This is a termination for that alert. No more EAS scenarios will be made. Well, for now, because I don't have any ideas. This is an emergency action termination. This is the last activation of the emergency alert system for now, so we might be rusty when we come back online. If you have any ideas for EAS scenarios, let me know in the comments. Also, here's a car crash for you if you were wondering how I was going to end this video. That's the end.